Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter number 4, Altitudes and Medians of a Triangle, part 2. In part 1, we studied altitude, median, their constructions, and their properties. Today, in part 2, we are going to solve the sums given in practice set 4.1. Before solving the sums, we remember some important points we studied in the last class. A triangle has three altitudes. The altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. The point of concurrence of the altitudes of a triangle is called the orthocenter and is usually denoted by O. A triangle has three medians. The medians of a triangle are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called the centroid and it is usually denoted by G. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Practice set 4.1. Question number 1. Please look at the given figure. In triangle LMN, dash is an altitude and dash is a median. Write the names of appropriate segments. In the figure, triangle LMN is given. Here, from the vertex L, segment LX is the perpendicular drawn to the opposite side MN. Therefore, segment LX is an altitude and segment LY is a median. Question number 2. Draw an acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all of its altitudes. Name the point of concurrence as O. A triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree is called an acute angle triangle. Here, in triangle PQR, measures of angle P, angle Q, and angle R are less than 90 degree. Therefore, triangle PQR is an acute angle triangle. From the vertex P, draw segment PA perpendicular to the opposite side QR. From the vertex R, draw segment RC perpendicular to the opposite side PQ. From the vertex Q, draw segment QB perpendicular to the opposite side PR. Here, the altitudes PA, QB and RC are concurrent, means they pass through exactly one point. That point is O. Question number 3. Draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN. Draw its altitudes and denote the orthocenter by O. a triangle in which the measure of one angle is more than 90 degree, then it is called an obtuse angle triangle. Here, in triangle LMN, measure of angle M is more than 90 degree. Therefore, triangle LMN is an obtuse angle triangle. Here, first of all, extend the sides LM and NM. From the vertex L, draw perpendicular LA to the opposite side MN. From the vertex N, draw segment NC perpendicular to the opposite side LM. From the vertex M, draw segment MB perpendicular to the opposite side LN. Here, the altitudes LA, NC and MB are concurrent, means they pass through exactly one point. That point is O here. Question number 4. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Sub-question number 1. If length RG is equal to 2.5, then length GC is equal to dash. Second, if length BG is equal to 6, then length BQ is equal to dash. Third one, if length AP is equal to 6, then length AG is equal to dash and length GP is equal to dash. Please look at the figure. Here, segment BQ is a median, segment CR is a median, and segment AP is a median, and G is the centroid. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. First question, therefore, length CG upon length GR is equal to 2/1. Therefore, length GC upon 2.5 is equal to 2/1. Do cross multiplication. Therefore, GC is equal to 2.5 into 2, that is equal to 5. Second one, length BG upon length GQ is equal to 2/1. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Here length BG is given, that is equal to 6. Therefore, 6 upon length GQ is equal to 2/1. After doing cross multiplication, we get 2 into GQ is equal to 6. Therefore, GQ is equal to 6/2, that is equal to 3. Length BQ is equal to length BG plus length GQ, that is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Third one, length AP is equal to 6. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Here, AP is divided into 3 equal parts. AG is 2 parts and GP is 1 part. Therefore, length AG is equal to 2 upon 3 multiplied by length AP. That is equal to 2 upon 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 4. Length GP is equal to 1 upon 3 multiplied by length AP. That is equal to 1 upon 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 2. Therefore, length GC is equal to 5, length BQ is equal to 9, length AG is equal to 4, and length GP is equal to 2. Thank you.